Proxmox has spent years building a very specific reputation. It is the reliable, open-source hypervisor that home lobbers swear by and small businesses migrate to when they want to escape expensive enterprise licensing. That reputation makes their latest announcement stand out. Proxmox is officially partnering with NVIDIA, integrating their hypervisor into massive data centers powering modern AI. It is quite the jump. You have an independent software company based in Vienna, Austria, stepping into an ecosystem that operates at the scale of multi-million-dollar AI factories. When the tech community saw the headline, the immediate reaction was confusion. People assumed NVIDIA was attempting to run their heavy AI computing workloads inside virtual machines. Putting a virtualization layer between a high-end GPU and its workload creates unnecessary latency. To see what Proxmox is actually doing in these data centers, we have to look past the headline and dig into the architecture. To get maximum computing speed out of an AI factory, the actual hardware doing the math needs zero interference. The GPUs run directly on bare metal, entirely unvirtualized. Above that hardware sits a management layer called Mission Control. It acts as the vital brain of the factory, orchestrating workloads, allocating resources, and automating the power and cooling systems. If that management brain crashes, the data flow stops. The bare metal GPUs sit idle, which burns through 6 figures of computing time every single day. This is the exact slot Proxmox fills. NVIDIA uses Proxmox to virtualize the Mission Control layer itself. By applying proven features like high availability and live migration, they ensure that if a management node fails, the control plane shifts to another server instantly through built-in redundancy. Proxmox never touches the AI models. It acts as the insurance policy, keeping the most expensive computing hardware on Earth securely online. The management layer integration explains the headline, but there is a detail buried further down in the press release that carries far more weight for the broader tech industry. Let's read the fine print. Proxmox is being, quote, engineered specifically to support the bring-up of NVIDIA Grace and NVIDIA Vera CPU architectures. This board houses the Grace and Vera processors, which are ARM-based CPUs. They represent a complete departure from the traditional x86 server architecture that has dominated data centers for decades. Up until now, Proxmox has maintained a strict stance. They are an x86 platform. If you wanted to run their hypervisor on an ARM chip, you had to rely on entirely unsupported, community-maintained forks. The development of an official ARM64 port is finally underway, moving from the realm of community projects into the primary codebase to satisfy NVIDIA's hardware requirements. The extreme hardware requirements of the modern AI data center have forced one of the most stubborn x86 hypervisors to evolve its underlying architecture for a totally new generation of silicon. Curious, you have to ask why NVIDIA went this route in the first place. With massive budgets available, they could have easily partnered with established enterprise giants like VMware or Red Hat to run this architecture. The answer comes down to hypervisor neutrality. The enterprise virtualization market is fracturing, and NVIDIA needs its hardware to deploy smoothly across multiple platforms without getting locked into a single vendor's ecosystem. There is also a major geographical factor. European institutions are building out sovereign clouds, AI infrastructure designed to keep data strictly within their own borders. In these projects, relying on closed-source software with American licensing terms creates a political liability. Proxmox answers both problems. As an open-source entity based in the EU with optional subscriptions, it provides the perfect politically neutral foundation for deploying global AI infrastructure. This partnership officially changes Proxmox's standing in the market. They now have a top-tier corporate cosigner, placing their software in the most elite data centers on the planet. Realistically, most IT professionals and home labbers are never going to directly manage a rack of multi-million-dollar NVIDIA hardware, but the benefits will trickle down to every standard installation. The extreme stress testing NVIDIA applies to Proxmox will result in highly validated, rock-solid improvements to clustering and high availability across the board. This partnership also delivers official first-party ARM64 support. The engineering required for Grace and Vera chips will allow the rest of the ecosystem to run Proxmox natively on energy-efficient ARM servers in their own environments. NVIDIA's enterprise requirements provided the final push. Proxmox is officially transitioning from a legacy x86 system into a multi-architectural foundation, ready for whatever silicon comes next.